everyone, this is Big Tone coming at you again from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feast. Hey guys, you know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video today. We're going to do something today that's, I don't want to say it's out of my wheelhouse, but I don't really make salads too often. But this is going to be a nice summer salad. Basically cucumber, tomato, onion, and a little bit of avocado. So stay tuned for this. It's going to be a nice, refreshing change for what my normal comfort food is going to be. But if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video, guys, and let's get started with the summer salad. All right, so as always, my supporting cast, all the ingredients here, very fresh summer ingredients. Some of them I did get from the farmers market, supporting the local farmers, but I got some fresh corn from the farmers market. That should be really good. I'm going to put that roasted on the flat top a little bit. Some cherry tomatoes. Look at this onion, guys, I got from the farmers market. Look at that. I'm going to use that whole onion there. Some avocado. Some dill that I did have to buy at the store. I couldn't find it at the farmers market. Look at this cucumber. Beautiful. Got that at the farmers market. One lime. I'm going to cheat a little bit. I'm going to use some zesty Italian dressing. You can use olive oil, whatever else you'd like. Of course, I'm going to have my black pepper, my pink Himalayan sea salt, and a little bit of minced garlic in this. So that's all the ingredients for this salad. I think you're going to like it. Let's get started putting it together. All right, so the first thing I'm going to start with is a cucumber here. I'm going to do a little bit of a little different little thing for my presentation. I'm gonna take the and I'm gonna do a few little strands here of it cut out of there just for a color change. If you want to do that, you can. This is totally an optional step. Like that. Just to make it a little different. Cut off my ends. I probably won't, I don't know, I might use this whole cucumber. I probably will. So we're going to cut it right down the middle. Just like that. Give us two halves. Then I'm going to cut that half in half again. And we're just going to simply make these into small slices. Bite size, let's put it that way. Alright, we're just going to put those in our bowl. And let's cut up the other one. This was a rather large cucumber, so if you guys had to buy two small ones from the store or wherever you got them from, but this came from the farmers market. Very fresh, very big. Now these tomatoes are not from the farmers market. I had to go buy these at the store, although they are organic. We're just basically going to cut those in half, just so the salad dressing can get inside of them, and all the flavors will be released. Now, if you want to choose to keep them whole, that's your choice. You do exactly how you want to make it. Okay, so we're going to do the same with the onion here. This onion is beautiful. Got it from the farmers market. Look at that. I'm going to wash it off here real good. Alright, so for this onion, take back that first layer of skin off here. And I'm going to quarter this, and then I'm going to slice it in small slices here. Just like this. I may not be able to use this whole onion, so I'll use the rest of it in another recipe here. I rarely see those that big at the farmer's market. Alright, next thing is avocado. So I got two avocados. To cut avocado, the way I do it is that I just place the knife here at the top next to the stem, cut into it, and you will hit the nut inside there. and just rotate your knife all the way around. You'll cut it in half, twist it, pops right off open. To get the nut out, I just take the knife, push down on it, twist it, comes right out. Very simple. Alright, so the next part is, I see a lot of people on YouTube and other channels where they'll take the flesh out of the shell. I don't ever do that. I just cut it up in the shell. So I just take my knife, make lines here, straight lines down, then I'll go across. And the shell acts as a stopping point. Then I take a large spoon, and all you have to do is run the spoon around there, and you'll get all the avocado out, and just place it in your vessel. Very simple. Let's do that one more time. Vertical lines, a couple horizontal lines makes your cubes the size that you want. Take a spoon and just run it around it. You'll get all the avocado out. Get that one little piece off the board there. Dill brings out the brightness of the dish. So, like I said, I had to buy this dill at the store. It's not the freshest. So I'm going to take this dill here. And if you're not familiar with dill, this is how it comes. So I'm just going to take it, pull away the large stems. I'm probably only going to use a little bit of this. And we're going to take the dill and we're just going to chop it up a little bit. Just like that. Now I may add some more, as you know, depending on the taste of the salad later on. We're going to add this now. Got my onions, my avocado, tomato, my fresh dill. We're going to mix that up a little bit. Cucumbers are in there. Okay, next thing we're going to add is I'm going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper to this. A little bit of black pepper. A little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt. Mix it up a little bit. You don't want to mix this too much. Your avocado will get a little mushy. Now I'm going to add a little bit of garlic. So I'm going to use about a tablespoon of garlic here. I'm using the minced garlic. You can use fresh if you wish. Totally up to you. Next thing we're going to add is my lime. I'm using one whole lime. If you guys aren't familiar with limes, you got to roll them first to get them juicy. So just roll them on your counter, and you can feel where it starts to break apart. Cut it in half, and we're going to throw one half of it in my juicer. Now the lime does a couple things. It brings a little brightness, a little acidic flavor to it, and it also keeps the avocado from turning brown so quickly. So I got that all done there. I'm going to mix this up. For the corn, I am going to basically, the corn just came straight out of the bag that I got it from the farmer's market. I'm just going to put it on a plate, and I'm going to microwave this. Yeah, I know. I'm going to microwave this for about 7 minutes. Each ear of corn takes about 3 to 3.5 minutes, sometimes 4 depending on the size. But I'm undercooking it just a little bit in the microwave because I'm also going to put this on the flat top to get a little color under the corn as well. The corn has come out of the microwave super hot. So I'm going to take it and put it on the cutting board here. And you got to have a hot pad or something, or a glove if you have it. And you're just going to hold, let me roll that one off. As you can see, everything's still on the corn, the silk and everything. You're going to go to the base end of the corn, about an inch or ½ inch from the base, and take a sharp knife. You're going to cut it off, just like that. From there, you're just going to squeeze. And you can see the corn coming out. Make sure you got something to keep your hands from burning up. Look at that. Look at that ear of corn. Perfect. And the best part is there's no silk. No silk whatsoever. And I'm simply going to take my corn and place it right here on some butter and on the flat top, and I'm going to let it get a little bit of color on it. Alright, so once I cook that for about another 1.5 or 2 minutes, rotating it, then I'll show you how I cut it off the ear. I got my corn here, came right off the flat top, so I'm just going to take it and take the corn off the cob. Sharp knife and just run it straight down the sides. Be careful, it's hot when you take it off. And there you go. There's one ear down. Put it right in the salad. Alright guys, so now I'm going to mix this up a little bit with the corn and everything mixed in really nice. Now, the dressing, I don't have to add a lot of dressing to this because the avocado is going to mush up and provide that creaminess. But I am going to add a little bit of dressing to this, salad dressing. And like I said, I'm using the zesty Italian, and we're just going to drizzle just a little bit over the top. There we go. Look at that salad, guys. Look at that. With the corn, avocado, cucumbers. Alright, so I'm going to plate this up. A nice fresh summer salad. Most of my ingredients from the farmer's market here in Indianapolis, Indiana, the Broad Ripple Farmer's Market. Some corn, tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, a little avocado, and some seasoning. This is going to go great for your summer picnic. Let me take a bite. You know what I'm looking for. You can forget potato salad. You need to try this. This is healthy. It is good. Hey guys, if you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, share the video, and hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.